Hello everyone, my name is Harryn and shout out to my little sister to helping me to make this recipe. So let's start. So I'm making a Buñuelos, which is a Mexican recipe. So we need a vanilla, we need a margarine of any of your choice, we need a 1.5 of cup of flour, and we also need the milk. So we have 100% natural milk goodness, so always remember to use Arla. This is not sponsored, but you can do it. We have 1 tablespoon of yeast, which is going to be anti-riseable, so you can use it. And I also included 2 eggs. So let's start with a bowl. We are going to put 1 cup of the flour. I added a half of the flour after this. Next is we are going to add 1 tablespoon of yeast. We don't use almost 1 spoon of yeast since it will grow higher than usual. So next is I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vanilla flavoring. So this is not going to end well if you add more than 1 scoop of it, also than the yeast. So here I am putting it 1:1 ratio, so please look at it. The other one is supposed to be half, and then the third one was supposed to be half too, so we can identify the perfect amount of the measuring. Next is I add 1/2, another 1/2, and then another 1/2, and almost 4 1/2 cups of milk. So here you can see me pouring it into the mixing bowl. Now next I am going to add an egg first. So we're going to crack it almost on the rim of the mixing bowl. See, it's almost shaky, and we're going to pour all over it. Now we're going to pour 1/2 of spoon of Star Magic margarine. You can use almost every type of options over there, but it needs to be melted. Melted butter will be necessary too if you need so, but here in Buñuelos recipe, we don't need to melt the margarine or even butter if you choose. Now I'm going to add a little bit of food coloring, which is going to be turned out as yellow. So fun fact, if you use too much food coloring, it will make your bread or your pastry more darker than your usual dough. So make sure to drop like 2 to 3 drops, and make sure to not overpower it. So in this video you can see me like mixing it with a spatula, but in the next clip you can see me like doing it with my hands, with my bare hands. But guys, make sure to wash your hands and make sure to sanitize after using. So here you can see me like whisking around and then hopping around with my dough, and almost you need to adjust with the milk, you know, you adjust with the flour so you can get the right consistency. So in this clip, we are actually preparing a little bit of creativity with the recipe. So here we're making shapes, we're making trees, we're making flowers, we're making xiaolongbao. Xiaolongbao is Chinese version for dumplings. And then we are making some kind of different stuff that you will see later. So I hope you can enjoy the video and the rest of it. So usually after you knead the bread or you have the right consistency of the dough, you actually need to rest it for 30 minutes or even an hour. So if you need to rest it, you need to leave it in the bowl that we used earlier and put a little bit or a pinch of powder. Here we have the frying session. So we are actually frying the dough and we don't have time to oven it since it is like 6 p.m. in the night, so we are actually frying it. Actually, Buñuelos is actually fried, not baked, but in the American way or even the Filipino way, they bake it as much as they can, but here we fry it. So yeah, until golden brown, guys. So at least 3 minutes per side. You need to check it so you will not to be like overcooked. And here is our final product. So I hope you can enjoy the video and stay tuned for more. Bye!
Ryan Little.
Maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. She's a Mona Lisa. Every up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. No. Till I go numb. Days until my legs go numb. Till I go numb. Baby, it's 4:30 and my whole world is I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down.